Yo, we're back out on the mountain bikes this time. Got the waterproofs on, and we're going in a place in Warrington called the Dingle. As you can see, it's meant to be quite a big storm today, so we're going to have a little ride round, set the tarp up, have a quick passy and a quick snack, and do a bit of mountain biking. Alright, I'll catch up with you when we're in there.
Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Don't look at the camera. Keep riding. So we've got some fun in Dingle. A little bit of mountain biking. It looks like it's just about starting to rain, so we're going to have a little ride round and see if there's any way we can set the tarp up and eat our snack and have a minute in with the tarp. Right, we'll catch you soon.
Bye.
So we've got the tarp set up. We'll have a little pasty, a little treat. That's all set up. I mean, it's not the best, like, I'm no bloody outdoor boys, but it's starting to spit a bit and we're dry. And it's got a bit of a run off on there. Well, let's see what the weather brings. Tarp seems to be holding up. We've not had a major downpour yet. It is spitting quite a bit, but nothing that I was expecting, or nothing that the weather said was going to come anyway. Corey's over there having a bit of fun with a twig and a branch. I'm not entirely sure what he's doing, but seems to be carving a tree. I think in a minute we're gonna get the tarp set back up, get it wrapped up, and then get going. I'll go and get some nice tea. What do you reckon, mate?
Nothing.
Should we get going soon?
No.
No? Ah, well that answers that then. So just a quick video on the bikes that we've got. He's got a Specialized Hot Rock. It's a cracking little bike for nice little trails and stuff like this. He's been around the Lake District in it. On the hills. I did originally look for bikes in like a bike shop, and they were coming out to about 350, 400 quid. But I sod that, so got on Facebook Marketplace. I got on Facebook Marketplace, and I think that was about 100 quid. Barely ever been used. It was a great size for him. And we've had it for about 2 years now. There's never been a problem with it. The only thing,
12 years.
it's not been that long, mate, but we've had it a while and there's been no problems with it. So I've saved 200 quid by getting second hand, which I don't mind doing, to be fair. And then the other bike we've got, again, we've got a specialised stump jumper. I've got this one off him, and I have got a road bike, but you can't do outdoorsy stuff like this with it. So hopefully we can start getting out a bit more. So I say, obviously that bike's quite expensive, but lucky for me. Clothing wise, waterproof coat off Vinted, that was £3.50 plus a bit of delivery. Gonna show me your coat, mate. Well, the little man, he's got a proper waterproof coat. He's got a Fox. He got that off his grandpa Wayne. So I've not got enough money to get Fox gear. But the clothes we've got on is just, I've got a pair of my work Temu pants on, Peter Strom shoes, and it's just nice to get out. Don't have to spend hundreds on gear. So, with everything that you do in places like this, make sure you pick up all your crap and there's nothing left, and then there's no trace of us being here. Okay, we're all packed up and we're ready to go. Go and get our tea from Lidl. You'll fall. Right.